How to find hidden locked chats in WhatsApp. Here is a quick guide to help you find hidden locked chats in WhatsApp. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp application on your device. Ensure to log in or sign in to your particular account on WhatsApp. On the chat section, scroll a bit down. If you have any kind of hidden locked chats, you will see locked chats at the top of the screen. Or else you might have used the secret code as well. For that, tap on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. Enter the secret code to look after the locked chat in WhatsApp. And here is it. Open the locked chats and you will see all your hidden locked chats in WhatsApp. That's it. I hope this video worked for you. If this worked, hit the like button, share, comment, subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.